Hi there. In this Game PowerPoint Mastery review, I'm going to show you a powerful training program that helps you create and sell interactive games using PowerPoint and Canva. No coding required. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Game PowerPoint Mastery through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Game PowerPoint Mastery? Game PowerPoint Mastery is a step-by-step training program that teaches you how to create interactive PowerPoint games from scratch. It's designed for teachers and educators. Make learning fun and engaging. Content creators and entrepreneurs sell interactive games for profit. Marketers use games to boost engagement and conversions. What's great about this? No coding or complex software needed. Just PowerPoint plus Canva equals fully interactive games. Now, I want to be honest. This isn't a magic tool that will make you money overnight. You'll still need to follow the training and put in effort to create high-quality games, but once you do, the potential is huge. Here are some features that caught my eye. Canva plus PowerPoint game design. Learn to create stunning, professional-looking game interfaces. Interactive controls and triggers. Add animations and clickable elements for smooth gameplay. Voice and sound effects. Make characters talk, add background music, and enhance engagement. Multiple game types. Create quizzes, word games, matching games, and more. Monetization options. Sell your games, use them as bonuses, or turn them into lead magnets. How it works. It's super simple. Step 1. Follow the training to set up your game idea. Step 2. Use PowerPoint and Canva to design game slides. Step 3. Add animations, triggers, and voiceovers for interactivity. Step 4. Save and sell your game or use it to engage your audience. No technical skills required. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Okay, let's go over a quick demo video to see how this works in action.
Before diving into the Game PowerPoint Mastery course, let's take a look at the current market landscape. The PowerPoint game niche on YouTube is a rapidly growing market where creators showcase interactive games built entirely in PowerPoint, captivating educators, students, and casual gamers who enjoy creativity without coding. Other expanding markets include edutainment, digital design, gamification in education, and DIY game development, each providing unique opportunities for content creators to engage and grow their audience. Beyond YouTube, TikTok is also a powerful platform where short-form videos featuring game demos, quick tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content have high viral potential. What will you learn in this course? 1. Introduction to PowerPoint games. Overview of interactive PowerPoint games and their potential. How to use link action to create navigation and interactions. Understanding animation, trigger to make objects respond dynamically. Naming objects correctly to ensure smooth functionality. Step-by-step process for designing an engaging interactive game. 2. How to generate ideas and write a game script. Methods to brainstorm creative game ideas. Structuring a game script for an engaging player experience. Tips for designing compelling storylines, challenges, and objectives. 3. Designing the game interface with Canva. Utilizing Canva's extensive resource library to create professional backgrounds. Designing characters, icons, and game elements for a polished look. Customizing fonts, colors, and themes for a cohesive design. Exporting assets from Canva and integrating them into PowerPoint. 4. Using link. Action for seamless navigation. 5. Controlling objects with animation, trigger. 6. Tips for creating smooth page transitions. Before creating your own PowerPoint games, let's explore some amazing examples. These interactive games highlight PowerPoint's potential with smooth animations, seamless navigation, and engaging gameplay. Watch, get inspired, and imagine the possibilities for your own projects.
Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. Check front end, 27. The core training, including check 6 PowerPoint games plus bonuses. Check how to generate game ideas and write scripts using Canva for stunning game designs, creating animations, triggers, and smooth navigation. OTO bump, $4.95. Get 100 PowerPoint and Canva backgrounds to speed up your design process. Game PowerPoint Mastery Pro, $37. Unlocks advanced game creation techniques, including 10 PowerPoint games, voiceovers and sound effects, timed quizzes, word games, and matching games. Automated correct, incorrect feedback. OTO bump, $7.95. Get 150 extra backgrounds for even more customization. OTO 1, Coaching 101, $49.95. Get one-on-one coaching for a full month to apply the strategies directly to your game business. Avoid mistakes and speed up your success. Which upgrade should you get? If you're serious about monetizing your games, I'd recommend the Pro version plus the coaching for personalized support. But if you're just starting, the basic version is already packed with value. What I like about Game PowerPoint Mastery: beginner-friendly, no coding or design experience needed. Multiple game types, quizzes, word games, interactive puzzles, great for education and business. Multiple monetization streams. Sell your games, use them as lead magnets, or add them as bonuses. What could be improved? While this is a fantastic tool, it's not a replacement for professional game development software like Unity or Unreal Engine. If you need advanced 3D game development, this isn't for you. But for educators, marketers, and entrepreneurs, this is a goldmine. Is Game PowerPoint Mastery worth it? If you're looking for an affordable way to create and sell interactive games, this is a no-brainer. Get it now for 95% off. Click the link below and grab your copy now. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest digital tools. Let me know in the comments. Would you try creating PowerPoint games? That's it for today. See you in the next video.